Hello everyone. In this video, you will get to know about what are the stages of female's life, how the dosh impacts female's life, and how we can give a woman the best stages of her life. See the video till the end. But before that, press the bell icon, subscribe my channel and like the video. This video is for a mother who is having a baby girl of 5 to 10 or 12 years, a mother who wants to care for her daughter, a female who wants to care for her younger girl, teenage girl, and a female who is in her pregnancy or preconception stage of life, a female who is having a fertility issue, or a female who is going to be in menopause stage uh, in some 1 2 years, from birth to adolescence, from adolescence to it age. What are the stages? From which are the stages woman is going through in childhood? First, up to her 16 year, a female is in a cough age. It is called Balyavastha. Every female or every human have one kind of body type, dominancy of Vayu dosh, dominancy of Pitta dosh, or dominancy of Kapha dosh. But in the stages of life, there is predominance of one dosha, and in childhood, there is a predominance of Kapha dosh. So, here, if you want your girl child the best nurturing, you should give her in her diet some kind of things which can increase her Kapha dosh. And the things are ghee, milk, and some foods which are having the coffee properties, like some dry fruits. You can give her a warm massage daily, regular oil massage to increase her, to maintain her coffee dosh. You can massage your baby with clean sesame oil, and you should give her some tonic, some things which can build up her childhood. Like you can give her Suvarna Prashan. Suvarna Prashan is one among the best things to give your child in her childhood, and especially for women child, for girl child, it will be work like magic, because it will nurture her immunity, nurture her hormones, and all the dhatu, all the tissues of her body. And also, in her childhood stage, you have to see her emotional balance, her mental balance, and for that, give her the best love, care, and concern. After the childhood, the stage comes is called the Yuvavastha, means the adolescence age, where she is associated with the rapid emotional, physical, and mental growth. Also, there will be many kind of hormonal changes in her body, because this is the time when a child, a female child, can go in the menarche stage. If you want that your female child is not get her early periods, you have to keep her away from fermented things, some foods which are regularly eaten by kids, junk foods like pizza, pasta, or some Chinese foods which can create her early menarche. Okay, so in fifth stage also, in adolescent stage also, you can do one thing, that you should keep her away from things like which are increase her pitta, like fermented foods, some sour taste foods. And in adolescent stage, you have to try that your child, girl child, is having some kind of good habits like yoga, aerobic, zumba exercises, so she will not suffer with emotional, mental, and hormonal issues in her adolescence age. So you have to give her some kind of awareness about her body, about her menstruation cycle, about her adolescence age. So if she will get her periods early or in the late adolescence, she will not suffer from any kind of psychological or emotional issues. Now, the next stage is her adulthood, like 20s, 30s, and early 40s. Okay, so here in this stage, copper remains in middle part where it gives a strength to a female. In this stage, she is having a pitta dominance with combination of other two dosha. Here in adulthood, a female will choose to conceive, choose to nurture another life. So in this 20s and 30s, females having the great strength, great mental and emotional and physical strength will be needed. So in this stage, how Ayurveda can help you? Ayurveda can maintain your hormones, maintain your lifestyle, maintain the exact diet which can nurture your hormones, which can keep your hormones in balance. In the preconception stage, you have to have regular cycles, regular ovulations, and also not having any emotional issues, because the conception process is depends on the mental aspect of a woman. Major changes in her body after the postpartum period, she will have to recover well for her lifetime health care. If the woman not care for herself in postpartum time, she will have many kind of issues of hormones, of menopausal issues, and many kind of other diseases, other lifestyle disorders also joins her after her 30s and 40s. In 30s and early 40s, she will have to keep eye on her uh, astidhatu, like her bones and calcium management, because pregnancy and postpartum can take many of your strength, mental and physical strength. And in this fertility age, she will be having a kid who needs a strong mother. So in Ayurveda, you will get all kind of individual nurturing and balancing tasks for pregnancy. In Ayurveda, uh, it is given the Garbhini Paricharya. For postpartum stage, that is description of Sutika Paricharya. Sutika means a postpartum women. After all this, she will come into the Vardhakya, Vriddhavastha, a menopause stage where naturally her Vayu dosh will be in peak. It typically comes after her 40s and 50s. So, in this stage, she will have to take care of herself with a vata pacifying lifestyle or diet. In menopause age, she will have to go through a lots of emotional and physical and hormonal changes, where she have to adapt a new life, a new lifestyle that can control her menopause attacks. And after all these beautiful stages of a woman's life, she will come under the geriatric age, like Jara Avastha, which is after her 60s, in which she will be having a lots of uh, ups and downs of her life. But now she will have to control her Vata dosha, Vayu dosha. So this Jara Avastha also called the wisdom years, because after all the stages of her life, women have gone through many things, and now she will have to care for herself only and only. So you learn it in this video all about the stages of women's life and how we have to focus one dosha, some kind of lifestyle to maintain that uh, stage of life. So if you get useful knowledge, share this video maximum to all the women. We have to empower the female for having a strong and resilient society to nurture our kids. That is why I call Ayurveda for every youth. Here in this video, you have got all the details about stages of women's life. This is the roadmap which can navigate a woman's life in a healthy pace. If you have any kind of problem in this kind of stages of life, you can comment over here and get your solution.